In front of me is Redmi Note 15 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can check a password in Passwords Manager. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to click on Google section available here. Now tap on All Services. Scroll again and click on Autofill with Google here. Now it's time to select the Google Password Manager and tap on any password you wanna check. Enter your screen lock. Click on this eye icon and this way make your password visible. You can also select Edit if your password is too long to check here, and tap on the same icon. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!